I got my ticket going to Amsterdam in Netherlands. See you guys. Baka may iwan na ako ng train. Bye-bye. And we are here now. I'm 51 and I'm going to Waterloopin. I actually love the temperature here. It's amazing. So we are inside the train station of Netherlands, going to the central station, guys. This is what we call the red light district here in Netherlands, in Amsterdam, I mean. So they have the red light secrets here, museum of prostitution. So they So guys, ito na nga. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa Amsterdam, here in Netherlands. Siyempre, Amsterdam, ayan yung dam. Amster, unique from the park. So welcome. Madaming mga taong nakaupo lang sa dam, sa gilid ng dam. Tsaka ano, may mga cruise. Mamaya sasakay tayo dyan. Maganda siya. Malinis siya, malinis. Sasakay ako mamaya dyan ng tram. Kailangan kong mawala. Good luck sa atin. Oh, may fake noodles. Punta tayo ngayon sa ano. May Chinese restaurant din pala siya. Diba? Ang saya.
Guys, if you would like to try the tour of boat riding in the dam, it's very affordable and it's only cost ranging 15 to 30 euro per head. You can also join with a group of travelers as well. I think it would be more fun.
So this is the area, guys, where they can buy plants or it's tulips. Actually, I saw a lot from here. And souvenirs, 3, 4, 5 euro. So we will go back later after taking videos.
As we know that Netherlands is very famous in tulips, so in this area they are selling bulbs of tulips. It's like onion bulbs. I actually plan to buy a tulip bulb, but the problem is that maybe I'm thinking actually if the custom will confiscate it or they will not allow me to bring it inside the country. So that's why I changed my mind. But there's a lot.
Bawal yan sa aeroplano. Baka hulihin tayo. Or matatanggalin yan ng costume.
In this place, this is just 5 minutes walking from the dam of Amsterdam. Besides, there's a lots of restaurants, coffee shops, and you will see in this place a lots of locals mixed with a lots of tourists as well, hanging out together with their team and their, you know, their friends. If you plan also to buy some stuff or souvenirs for your travel, so you can find it here in this place. There's a lot. It's mixed.
Saan kaya ito banda itong mga tulips na ito? Mapuntahan nga ito bukas.
There's actually a lot of things, guys, to do during our travel. It's up to you only on your itinerary or where you have to go. And in this place as well, you will find a lot of street performers. There are pianists, there are singers, and there are some dancers as well, showing to the tourists. And of course you have to give tip if you love their performance, and it's everywhere. It's even in different countries as well.
So nandito nga tayo ngayon, guys, sa Amsterdam, sa Grand Canal nila. Ayan, oh. Naglalakad lang tayo. Parang nakikita lang natin to sa poster dati. Ngayon totoo na. Dream come true. Di ko expected na makapunta ako dito sa Europa. Mag-ikot-ikot lang, magbaktas-baktas kahit pagod na, hala, sige lang. Kasi enjoy naman. Parang nirayuman nga ang mga paa ko. Kailangan maghaplas to mamaya kasi ang sakit talaga, promise. Kailangan kong maghaplas. Magbanyos ni Unia. Ay, mga Pilipino. Ayun sila. Ang ganda, oh. So Welcome to Amsterdam. This is Andrew Lacuachero, guys, and enjoy the view, enjoy the vlog, and this is the backpacker's life. It's hard to take a picture while you are traveling alone because nobody will take a picture, or else you need to keep asking them to take a picture, okay? So we are in the central area of Amsterdam, guys, and this is a place where you can take a tour for cruise tour, and of course you will be in the dam.
Riding tour by boat in the dam. By morning, you will see the colorful houses and the place itself, but by night, you will see the colorful lights of everywhere. It's amazing. I tried it, but I'm not able to feature it here because I'm live on my Instagram and in my Facebook during the time, so it's not easy to take it at the same time taking video for my vlog. So watch it in my Facebook, guys.
So nandito tayo ngayon sa Grand Central train station ng Amsterdam. Dito kukuha ng ticket para sa Intercity kung Intercity kung saan kayo pupuntang country. So
what I suggest, guys, familiarize yourself in the location where you are staying or where you are going, because try to know what are the available or accessibility, what are the transportation like tram or buses which is available, and you can use your card for the whole day pass as well, so it will be easy for you.
Landmark pala ng Central Station para sa international ticket. Ito Play-in Lovers Ibis Hotel. So nandito lang pala sa gilid. Ayan NS International GWK Travelex Currency Exchange. So pasok tayo and dito yon. International ticket and currency. Ma'am Lugay, as per your request, nandito natin sa Crepes and Waffles here in Netherlands, Amsterdam. Ayan. Parang ito pala sa taas, ma'am. Sa baba naman mga pizza. Ito, strawberry binalot sa chocolate. Ito, mga waffles na puno ng fruits. Ang sarap. Sobrang tamis nito, for sure. At nandito tayo sa mga cakes nila, pastries. Ayan pa, ma'am. Mega love shoutout kay Ma'am Lugay. Ang aking inahin sa university. Dito to sa ma'am, sa Amsterdam.
My advice, guys, once you are coming to a particular country, you have to live with your currency. And one more thing, here in Netherlands, they have very affordable prices of food.
Especially delivery for you. So this is what we call the red light district here in Netherlands, in Amsterdam, I mean. So they have the red light secrets here, museum of prostitution. So they're open Sunday, Thursday, Friday, and that's the time. So you know what is happening here? It's a red light. I was actually shocked what's in here because I'm innocent. Of course, from there as well. All those who has red lights, ladies are, they're showing their bodies and people are watching while they are passing by. So that's it. Hostel, guys. This is 5 minutes away from the Grand Central by car and 20 minutes walk going to the Grand Central train station. And if you want to ride a tram going to Grand Central, it's here, number 14, and it will take only 10 minutes. So see you guys. So we are riding a tram from my hostel going to Central Station. Actually, I keep walking in this area yesterday. And now I just came to know that there is a tram going to all these places. I'm just walking by night since 11 a.m. until 9 p.m. So guys, we are here in the Grand Central in Amsterdam. Ito yung sakayan papuntang iba-ibang country ng Schengen countries. Dito rin papuntang Germany, Berlin. So pang Berlin yung kukunin ko kasi doon ako. Ayoko muna mag Frankfurt, next time na lang. So dito yung sakayan. Dito kukuha pala ng ticket. Punta tayo doon sa dulo. Dito pala. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. So, entrance and exit. Sige, mamaya na lang kasi papunta pa ako sa ticketing station. Basta dito siya. Ayan yung mga pasahero. Pag just in case na medyo di nyo alam paano puntahan yung mga na yan, magtanong na lang kayo sa mga information center dito. Meron namang mga nag-guide yan sila o mababait naman yan sila. Dito pala sa kabila. Kasi nandito na actually ako kagabi. Kaya alam ko na paano puntahan. Nag-practice ba? Ayan, Grand Central yan siya. Station. Papunta doon, yun yung pinakamagandang tanawin sa Amsterdam. Yung dam. Ito naman tram, waiting station for going to sa hostel ko. Kahapon lang medyo hindi ko pa masyadong kabisado. So ngayon alam ko na. Alam ko na nung paalis na ako. Yung pass ko hindi pa nag-expire kasi kinuha ko one day around around 9 euro. Full pass yun for one day. Magagamit mo kahit anong transportation dito. O diba? Kanya-kanyang outfitan. So ito yun. Nandito ako kahapon. Actually yung nila train station may mga pulubi na sa gilid-gilid natutulog. Diyan kagabi meron kada area niyan. Ayan higaan nila oh. So dito tayo, OV service and tickets. So dito na nga, bye-bye.